been on fire. I was burnt. We were kicked with this man here to the extent of even telling him that he was dead in an accident. The Basoga were asking me, where is our Chamazinga? For God's sake, it's not my work to tell you where Chamazinga is. Chamazinga ni Chamazinga wa Busoga, Afromesa wa Dayenda, Yangiresa wa Dakozechi. Amasoga mukose ebigambo ebitereevu mukawala asobola okuwanga Kyamazinga amaanyi ngatoolawo baba Kyamazinga funvubwa ondekerero zeena njakaleku ata Osman webala emirimu gyokukola. I want to thank the team that has been here. Thank you for continuing to work even when you are being disrespected. You do what you do with my permission. And I am the Katuke of Busoga. The one and only. Until the Chamazinga decides. I'm not political. And I'm only the 7th. Can you imagine? We want to thank you very much for heeding our call and coming. Busoga cannot move on without you. You are the true cabinet ministers of the Chamazinga. In the work that you do, educating our children, in the work that you do, raising up children, in the work that you do, building beautiful homes, in the work that you do, ensuring that you have toilets in all your houses, you have contributed to Busoga. By show of hands, whom did I give transport to come here today? And who tells you are not contributing to Busoga? That is the contribution we are looking for. Look after your families, and you have contributed. I'm telling you, give birth to your children that you can manage. I'm not telling you to just produce. To only those that you can. Thing we do. We are requesting you, the men. We are requesting you, the men. We are requesting you, the boys, to do your religious call. Lead the families. Lead in everything that you do. That's why Chairman Kaliro, Niba Chairman Vaino, this is the time. When we were growing up, 6 o'clock would all be walking back home. Wow. When I visit Busoga these days, 6 o'clock, young kids are moving towards the town center. That is where the problem is. That is where the exact problem is. It's not in the schools. Something has gone wrong. The homes are failing, but you want the schools to correct your failures. Chibita kungulu ataze baba Kyamazinga yandikiriza n'okwakerere kasamba nga ndikola mirimu gyani amaka olwokuba amaka gafiire tuli kusaba ba districts tuli kwenda iteeka erirobera omwana okuva ewaka obwire okwira mu senta tuli kulyetaaga butya ate tulyetaaga lwingi nawe nagyekagumba duzi nga ndikwevuga mwene olwisimba muno nga timuntegeire nsala kunakalefu ngezira nambona nagyekagumba nga ndikwevuga saawa 12 saawa ndala abaana bali kwidda mu tawuni walemerera ku mwana ali n'obodaboda mukoti olikolaki akati nvaako owabodaboda wenolabodabodaboda ati anga ali mwana wabeene ababodaboda amaani ago gemulina mugalimemu mugakozesa ebintu ebirungi stop lekera okuwa abaana baife abawala abato amabunda abakalituuka nze tujakoba kubasomesa kuba mwasomesebwa mu ekyokola era agezaako obasomesa n'abo musiru mwidde ekyokola ki kyemuli kwetaaga education triangle mugiddi eriko abantu bameka the education triangle has how many? Number 1 parent, number 2, number 3. May the community, may God bless you all. Let me take this singular honor to ask you kindly